The Pilot Point Elementary School would like to invite you to the very first STEAM Science Festival. The festival will be Tuesday, April the 10th at 6 p.m. You won't want to miss this fantastic event. Professor Brainius will be there. He's an educational entertainer with the goal of inspiring young minds to think creatively and to believe in their full potential. And we'll have the In-N-Out burger truck there. $5 for a hamburger, chips, and a drink. These purchases must be made in advance, so be looking for the form that comes home in your child's folder so that you can order and get your tickets for your hamburger meal there. Also, the science fair projects will have been already judged, and they'll be on display so that you can see all the creative ideas that came from Pilot Point Elementary students. We will be having a cakewalk, and the book fair will be open. We have the middle school students coming, displaying their Lego robotics. It's a carnival atmosphere. There will be lots of games in the gym to be played, handmade games. There will be science experiments all over the school, from boo bubbles to giant human bubbles. And don't want to miss the 3D printer, the newest in technology. So come join us on Tuesday, April the 10th at 6 p.m. Hope to see you there.